talked about this already because I had his brother on it, Tony Rock on it. Like one day, it was Chris Rock's birthday, and I went to his Instagram because I was gonna just put happy birthday, whatever, and he was following me, and I wasn't following him. And I was like, oh shit. You know, whoa, dude, you ready for the movie? Yeah. So then I was like, I followed him. Then I just like, sent him a message, happy birthday, thanks, man. And I was like, oh shit, this is so different. Like it's so different and comfortable to be like. Well, he gave me a great comment one day at the comedy store. I just thought he came walking out of the OR and he came actually like he was funny. He started talking to me, and I was just like, I'm having a conversation with this dude who was like one of my idols. It's really hard. Like Eddie Murphy's coming back to the comedy store. I just
Have you seen him?
no. I just want to see him walking around the hallways like Chris Rock now. He'll just be in the hallway. You know what I mean? Like the other day, Seinfeld was there with Sebastian, and they're just talking with Neil Brennan in the hallway, and people are just walking by, you know what I mean?
Nobody rolled up on him.
That's the kind of place it is now. It's the kind of place where you're like, you're just walking down the hallway, it's like, oh, Seinfeld.
Piggy sound.
But even regular people. So I think that to your point, there is more of a. I think we're more comfortable, but I don't necessarily think there's a brotherhood because I still think there's a hierarchy. I still think it's like a high school cafeteria. It's like podcasters, the Netflix special. Like those are the guys over there. Those are Mike Door guys, and there's like the.
There is all that, but I think people are pretty cool.
Yeah.
But I mean, I'm in my own.
It's like you're with like Pauly Shore.
Yeah, I am. It's like me.
Those guys.
I mean, like people, like we're our own entities, right? But it is, but everybody's cool with everybody. I think.
I'm glad you feel that way.
Okay, good.
Yeah,
Well,
I
I always try to go in and go out.
But maybe that's I have like, when I was in high school, when I was playing basketball, I'm the kind of guy, I need enemies. You know what I mean? I need enemies.
Were you good with the Rock?
Oh, guy, you jerk. Okay, well, that'll end that.